Okay, I'm with this 2014 Ford Flex, and it has a problem with the front heater blower motor system. Okay, this is right here the blower motor resistor. Okay, I had the vehicle running earlier and it was working, so I'm going to replace that resistor because it's shorting out. So that resistor, I'm gonna try and remove the plug here. Sorry about the camera angle. Remove that plug, and there's two screws that hold the resistor in. Okay, for the resistor connector, you push this tab up and you can pull it out. Okay, this is the blower motor resistor. This is the new one. I'll be replacing it with this is the old one. They're just two screws that take an 8mm socket or a wrench, whatever you squeeze in there. I used wound up using my 8mm wrench here and just had to inch it off because it's really tight in there. And got this out, so I'll be replacing with this one. Same way I took it out, just it sits in like this. You put it in like this, and you bolt it here and here. Okay, there's the resistor right here mounted. I'm gonna make the electrical connection. There's the snap, so it's in there. Now I'm gonna start it up and I'm gonna do a wiggle test where I wiggle the wires just to see if any short is in the wiring. So what I had to do was I put in the original one. I think there was something blocking the blower motor from turning. This one didn't work at all. This is the new one. So I did the wiggle test on the wires. And nothing seems to be shorting. So that's how I replaced the blower motor, but the resistor, blower motor resistor on a 2014 Ford Flex. One thing I forgot to mention, there's 3 of these tabs. Well, on this one there were only these 2 tabs that hold this plastic cover here on. So you just take those out and take this cover out here, and you can access the blower motor and the blower motor resistor.